Resources are everything in our environment that satisfy human needs. But to be a resource, something must be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Resources shape our lives, from the water we drink to the minerals in our phones. Nature provides raw materials, humans use technology to process them, and institutions manage their distribution. For example, a river becomes a resource for hydroelectricity only when we build a dam and manage it. Resources are not free gifts of nature, they result from human ingenuity and activity. Our knowledge and skills transform ordinary materials into valuable resources. The utility of a substance gives it value, economic, like gold, or aesthetic, like a beautiful landscape. Both economic and aesthetic values are important for human well-being. Preserving resources with both types of value is essential. Ultimately, humans are the ultimate resource, adding value to the world around us. The way we use and value resources determines the progress of our societies. We classify resources by origin: biotic, living like plants and animals, and abiotic, non-living like minerals and water. Another key classification is by exhaustibility: renewable, like solar energy and forests, and non-renewable, like coal and petroleum. Renewable resources can replenish, but overuse can deplete them. Non-renewable resources take millions of years to form and cannot be replaced once used. Ownership matters too. Resources can be individually owned, community-owned, or national property. Individual resources include private land and property. Community resources are shared spaces like parks. National resources belong to the country, such as minerals and infrastructure. We also classify resources by development status: potential, not yet used; developed, in use; and stock, not usable due to lack of technology. For example, Rajasthan has potential for solar energy, but it's not fully developed. Stock resources exist in the environment but can't be used until technology advances. These classifications help us manage and plan resource use wisely. Understanding resource types is key to sustainable development. Effective management depends on knowing what we have and how we use it. Resources are vital for survival and progress, but their overuse has led to major global problems. Indiscriminate use has caused resource depletion, social inequality, and environmental crises. A small percentage of people consume most resources, creating economic and social disparities. This unequal distribution leads to conflict and instability. Environmental impacts include global warming, pollution, and land degradation. The concentration of resources in a few hands divides society and fuels unrest. Our current path is unsustainable and threatens the planet's future. Equitable and responsible resource use is essential for a just and sustainable world. Sustainable development is the answer to resource overuse. It means meeting present needs without harming the environment or future generations. This approach balances economic growth, social equity, and environmental protection. Key principles include respecting all life, conserving biodiversity, and minimizing non-renewable resource use. We must shift to renewable energy, recycle, and reduce waste. Personal and community action is crucial. Everyone must adopt sustainable habits. Governments should create policies that support conservation and responsible development. The 1992 Rio Earth Summit marked a global commitment to sustainability with Agenda 21. Agenda 21 aims to combat environmental damage and poverty through global cooperation. Achieving sustainability requires shared responsibility and action at all levels. Our choices today shape the world for future generations. Resource planning is vital, especially in diverse countries like India, where resources are unevenly distributed. Some regions are rich in minerals, others in water or energy, but few have everything. Planning involves identifying resources, developing the right technology and institutions, and aligning with national goals. Resource-rich areas can still be economically backward without proper planning and technology. History shows that technological advancement, not just resource availability, drives development. Conservation is essential. Mahatma Gandhi said, "There is enough for everybody's need, not for anybody's greed." Greed and exploitative technology cause depletion. Sustainable community-based approaches are needed. Conservation means using resources wisely, not halting development. Everyone's basic needs must be met without overexploitation. Wise planning and conservation ensure resources for the future. Our actions today determine tomorrow's opportunities. Land is a crucial natural resource, supporting life, agriculture, and industry. India's land includes plains, mountains, plateaus, and islands, each with unique resources. Land use is shaped by both natural factors and human choices. Economic growth and urbanization have increased pressure on land, leading to degradation. Deforestation, overgrazing, mining, and over-irrigation are major causes of land degradation. Soil, a vital renewable resource, takes millions of years to form but can be lost quickly. India's diverse soils support different crops and ecosystems. Soil erosion from poor practices threatens food security and the environment. Conservation methods like contour plowing and terrace farming are essential. Protecting land and soil ensures a sustainable future. Responsible land use benefits everyone. Our stewardship of the earth shapes the legacy we leave behind.